Well, Sidekick, we did it. We got to the southest point. We got some of the people that are supposed to be with us to there, and we saw it. We couldn't fly the drone because it's a no-fly zone. You're not allowed because of seals and old people that moan. But we did it, mate.
Yeah, we've done it. Another one ticked off the list. It's really nice down there, actually, isn't it? We've sat down there, chilled out for a bit, and had a wander around. Yeah, it's really nice.
We had another Red Bull given to us.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to sleep tonight now, the amount of Red Bull I've been drinking.
And then tell them about the special cave, because we were all desperate for a wee, and I mean absolutely desperate. They have no toilets unless you go into a restaurant or walk up to a car park up a massive hill that's like 20 million miles away, and I would have died. So you went on a cave hunt and found the perfect place.
Yeah, well, we went for a little wander along the beach, didn't we, looking for caves, and then went for a cave inspection.
And then you come running out because of the fly, so I bailed and went round this little stone for a wee instead.
Yeah, where everybody could hear you going for a wee.
Well, dude, I'm not going to get... You literally ran out of there and it was a swarm of flies.
Yeah, there was a lot of seaweed in there, and it was like really deep, so yeah, it was very nice. But
now it smells of pee for everybody that wants to go and visit the caves at that point.
Yeah, you got to do what you got to do, haven't you?
Absolutely. And now next we're going to Land's End, but there's a con to Land's End, right? And the con of it is some Americans bought it. I like American people, so people don't think I'm going to be horrible, but they bought it and they've capitalised on it, and apparently you have to pay to touch the pole. Pay to touch the pole.
Yeah, to actually go to the official point and have your picture taken, they charge you now. So
I'd want to spoon the pole, mate, if I was going to pay. Do you know what I mean?
You think go to John O'Groats and you just line up there and get your picture taken, don't you? There's always somebody who wants to make some money out of it.
Somehow someone's bought it and they're making cash from it. So what we're going to do, we're still going to do it because that's our challenge. We're going to get outside the front of Land's End, hopefully, with a big sign. If it's a no-fly zone, I can't send the drone. I can't. But the ideal world of it is I could be able to send that up and get us some cinematic-ish footage. If not, I'm just going to have to do the funky chicken.
Yeah, we'll do something, won't we, to commemorate our achievements there.
Well, I'm not kissing you. Don't think about it, you dirty bugger. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've made it. Land's End. We've actually made it all the way to Land's End. We've got our awesome picture. Nearly everybody's here. Some are at the other point, but everyone's doing it. So, ladies and gentlemen, we did it. Bum, ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. Bum, ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. So Joe,
yeah,
it's been a long day. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Knackered.
Tired.
And we
Very windy.
It's hot though.
Yeah.
But we're going to try and get near the lamppost that we've got to pay to go near. So we're going to get as near as we can without paying, because we're both really tight, let alone we come all this way.
I wonder if we can sneak.
Don't want to pay an American person to be able to touch a British post, personally.
No.
I think it's a bit wrong, and I'm going to be mardy about it.
There's the post.
Is that the post? Oh, there's the post.
Yeah.
I can pretend to touch it. Is it in shot? If I do that, does it work?
Left a bit.
Yeah.
The other way. Other left. My left, yeah. There.
Am I touching it? Am I stroking it?
There, I think.
Well, I got it wrong. Joe managed to get us in by ducking under the barrier, and we did a little truffle shuffle and we weren't seen. So really quickly, this is probably the wrong post. We don't care. There you go. Did it. Do you feel all warm inside now?
Yeah. completely different.
I feel like I've dribbled a bit, to be honest, after that.
That's finished me off, that.
We only got the west to go. How many miles?
I don't know.
Don't know. Don't care anymore,
it feels bad enough that it's 50 miles to the campsite.
To be honest, and we still don't know if this pub's even open when we get there. So apparently they close 3 days a week, so we're either going to be really lucky or be really hungry again.
I mean, you were fortunate though, because somebody got you a beer, didn't they?
Yes.
Maybe warm, but...
So when I got out of my tent last night, I tripped over a beer. Everyone heard a bang. Joe, bless him, bought me a bishop's finger because he wanted to give me a finger in, but he couldn't, so he left me with the bishop. Very nice here. Yeah. So tomorrow morning we're going to meet at your cafe.
Yep.
And we're going to have an 11 out of 10 breakfast. Now this is a place that everybody that goes there and buys coffee on bike nights, they donate towards as well. And obviously it'll be the best breakfast in the world because I've been there and I've had it, and it'll be 11 out of 10, and you'll see all this tomorrow. But what's the address of your cafe?
It's in Dameral's car park and it's Lodge Way, Indian Queens. The postcode TR9 6LF, I think. I should have checked it.
It's that way.
Yeah,
if you aim for the bike shop, it's next to the bike shop.
It's in the corner of the car park of the bike shop, Dameral's bike shop, which is Suzuki, Honda.
Google it. It's that simple to find. But when you go in, ask for an 11 out of 10 breakfast because they'll look absolute like, what's that? And just go, I want the 11 out of 10. Do that for me and put a post up because that would be absolutely hilarious. Well, that was supposed to be slash and dash, but we were there for a bit of time. But we touched the post. You don't know if it's the right post, to be fair, but we touched the post. And we did it. I mean, are you proud?
Special moment, Land's End to John O'Groats. I mean, I've been thinking about doing Land's End to John O'Groats for years and years and years, but yeah, that's now ticked off my list. I think maybe next time, maybe we could try and do it in like a record time or something.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe do just literally, maybe do it the other way around, Land's End to John O'Groats, and we'll just do 150 miles an hour. We get some Suzukis, some Obusas, and we just plant them all the way down the motorway.
Yeah, I'm sure we won't get arrested or anything, will we?
Well, we'll speak to the police, we'll tip them off, and we'll be alright. Be fine. But we have done it, dude. Today has been a massive miles day. We've got to ticked off 2 more things, and we've only got tomorrow. We've got a fantastic breakfast in the morning, then we're going to be literally shooting up to the Eastest Point, and we're going to have a party. We're going to have the Go-Go Girls. There's going to be fireworks. It's going to be out of this blinking world, and we would have literally achieved what we were aiming to. The plan from 6 months ago, we've done it. So, well, not yet, obviously we've got tomorrow, but we would have done it. So I'm proud.
Yeah, I mean, what, like you say, what a day it's been. People have been out to join us. We've ticked off some big, you know, we've got those 2 mile markers done. Yeah, it's been a good day, hasn't it? It's been a real good day. The sun's been shining. There's been a bit of chaos within the group, haven't they? We're losing people and finding people and all the rest of it, but it's still been a good day.
There was a postcode run and everybody knew it, so we were all good. I tell you what though, I'm going to end the video and I'm just going to say, please donate. We've got 1 more leg to go. That's all we've got, 1 more leg to go, and just seeing those donations come in, seeing that total just skyrocket is going to rock our worlds, and it would make this entire thing worth it. So please donate. I'm going to let the sidekick for once in his life sign this video off.
Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time on the last leg of this crazy adventure.
Bum, bum, bum.